Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a tour of some of the most beautiful villages in Italy. Italy is known for its gorgeous natural surroundings and lovely rural towns, and it's hard to choose just a few to feature. But we have narrowed it down to the top 7 that we think you'll absolutely love. First up is Positano. Positano is a charming village located on the Amalfi Coast in southern Italy. It is famous for its steep cliffs, which are covered in colorful houses and lush vegetation. The village has a small beach, Spiaggia Grande, which is a popular spot for swimming and sunbathing. The beach is lined with restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy a meal or drink while taking in the mesmerizing scenes of the sea. One of the most iconic sites in Positano is the Chiesa di Santa Maria Assunta, a beautiful church located on a hill above the village. The church has a stunning mosaic dome and houses a famous icon of the Madonna and Child. Positano is also famous for its fashion, with many local shops selling handmade clothing and accessories. The village has a number of high-end boutiques and fashion stores, as well as local shops selling handmade ceramics and souvenirs. If you're looking for adventure, you can take a hike along the famous Path of the Gods, a scenic trail that offers breathtaking views of the coastline. You can also take a boat tour of the coast or explore the nearby towns of Amalfi and Ravello. Positano is a popular destination for honeymooners and couples, thanks to its romantic atmosphere and enchanting outlooks. But it's also a great destination for anyone looking to experience the beauty and charm of Italy's Amalfi Coast. Another must-visit village in Italy is Castelmezzano. Castelmezzano is a picturesque village located in the Basilicata region of southern Italy. The village is nestled in the Lucanian Dolomites, a mountain range known for its remarkable landscapes and awe-inspiring views. Castelmezzano is famous for its quaint alleys, ancient stone houses, and impressive vistas of the surrounding mountains. One of the main attractions of Castelmezzano is the Flight of the Angel zipline, which offers a thrilling way to see the village and the surrounding mountains from above. The zipline takes you from Castelmezzano to the nearby village of Pietrapertosa, a distance of almost 1,500 meters. The ride takes around 2 minutes and offers astounding views of the valley below. Aside from the zipline, there are plenty of other things to see and do in Castelmezzano. You can take a walk through the village's narrow alleys and admire the ancient stone houses and churches. You can also hike in the surrounding mountains, with trails ranging from easy walks to more challenging hikes. The vistas from the top of the mountains are simply awe-inspiring, and on a clear day, you can see for miles. Castelmezzano is also known for its delicious cuisine, with many local restaurants serving traditional dishes made with local ingredients. Some of the local specialties include handmade pasta, roasted meats, and locally produced cheeses and wines. Castelmezzano is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves nature, adventure, and exquisite food. With its remarkable landscapes, captivating history, and friendly locals, it's a village that will leave an indelible impression on anyone who visits. Next on our list is Manarola. Manarola is a truly breathtaking village situated in the scenic Cinque Terre region of northern Italy. This picturesque fishing village is famous for its colorful houses, which appear to cling precariously to the rugged cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Manarola's charm lies in its idyllic location, surrounded by steep hillsides dotted with olive groves and vineyards. The village has a small harbor where you can observe the local fishermen unloading their fresh catch of the day, adding to the village's authentic Italian ambiance. Manarola is also renowned for its delectable seafood dishes, which can be savored in one of the many local restaurants. To truly experience the magic of Manarola, be sure to take a stroll down the scenic Via dell'Amore, a stunning trail that connects the 5 villages of Cinque Terre. This hike provides breathtaking views of the sea and the surrounding hills, with the gentle sound of waves crashing against the rocks providing a soothing soundtrack. In the evenings, the village lights up, creating a cozy and romantic atmosphere. The colorful houses sparkle against the dark sky, and the sound of laughter and conversation drifts through the air. Manarola is a truly unique destination that is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to visit. Next on our list is the beautiful hilltop village of Montepulciano, located in the Tuscan region of central Italy. This ancient village is known for its storied past and impressive architecture, including the striking Palazzo Comunale and the beautiful Church of San Biagio. Montepulciano is also famous for its delicious wine, with vineyards and wineries located throughout the surrounding hills. In fact, Montepulciano is home to one of the oldest wine-producing regions in Italy, dating back to the 8th century BC. You can take a tour of one of the many wineries and taste some of the famous Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, a rich and full-bodied red wine. Another highlight of Montepulciano is its annual Bravio del Botti race, a traditional event that takes place every August and involves teams of locals racing large wine barrels through the streets of the village. This unique and exciting event is a must-see for anyone visiting the village during the summer months. Overall, Montepulciano offers a perfect mix of history, culture, and wine, making it a fantastic destination for any traveler interested in experiencing the best of Tuscany. Next on our list is the beautiful village of Orta San Giulio, situated on the shores of Lake Orta in northern Italy. The village is a hidden gem and often overlooked by tourists, but it is definitely worth a visit. The village has a rich history dating back to Roman times and is home to many beautiful churches and historic buildings, such as the 16th century Palazzo della Comunità. The village is famous for its narrow streets and alleyways, which are lined with colorful houses and boutique shops selling handmade goods and artisanal products. The village also has a small square, Piazza Moda, where you can sit and enjoy a coffee or gelato while taking in the beautiful views of the lake. One of the must-do activities in Orta San Giulio is taking a boat tour of the lake to visit the nearby island of San Giulio, home to a beautiful basilica and monastery. You can also take a leisurely walk along the lakefront promenade, which offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and countryside. Orta San Giulio is a perfect destination for those seeking a more authentic and off-the-beaten-path Italian experience. Another village that's definitely worth a visit is Vernazza, also located in the Cinque Terre. Vernazza is known for its natural beauty, with its colorful houses perched on the cliffs overlooking the sea, and its idyllic harbor, which is often filled with fishing boats. The village has a small beach where you can soak up the sun and swim in the crystal-clear waters, making it a popular destination for beachgoers. Vernazza is also home to a medieval castle, Castello Doria, which sits atop a hill overlooking the village and offers spectacular scenery of the sea and surrounding countryside. The castle is open to visitors, and you can climb to the top for an even better view. Vernazza is also famous for its food, particularly its fresh seafood and locally produced wine, which you can sample in one of the many restaurants and wine bars in the village. Overall, Vernazza is a charming and picturesque destination that should not be missed when visiting the Cinque Terre. Last but not least on our list is Civita di Bagnoregio, a unique and historic village located in central Italy. Civita di Bagnoregio is also known as the Dying City due to its precarious position atop a hill made of soft volcanic tuff. Over the years, the village has slowly eroded and crumbled away, and now only a handful of residents remain. Despite this, Civita di Bagnoregio is a fascinating and enchanting place to visit. You can reach the village via a footbridge that spans a deep valley, adding to the sense of adventure and exploration. Once you arrive in Civita di Bagnoregio, you'll be transported back in time, as the village has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The narrow streets are lined with ancient buildings, and the village is dominated by the impressive cathedral, which dates back to the 12th century. You can spend hours exploring the village's nooks and crannies, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of this historic place. Civita di Bagnoregio is also known for its delicious food, including local specialties like wild boar and homemade pasta. Civita di Bagnoregio is a unique and fascinating destination that is not to be missed for anyone interested in history and culture. Those were our top 7 picks for the most stunning villages in Italy, but it's just a glimpse of the many other breathtaking places you can explore in this charming country. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour, and please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section about which village you found the most fascinating. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in our upcoming videos.